This is so crazy.
Oh, no. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no.
I don't know what the hell that is. Is it a lynx? What is that?
Definitely not a domestic cat.
This is so crazy.
I saw a microbiologist today. He was much bigger than I expected.
I took a nap. It was a very good nap.
I love you.
Where are you? I'm over here.
What?
Somebody! Anybody! No.
I know, sad.
You wanna hug me, but as we hug me, hey, 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 hey. Okay, now he was good, got you the right to take it, but you an animal, baby, it's big on me.
An ice cube on your pet to see their reaction.
Un perro, tengo un perro. Dos. Es tan negro que no se ve.
Fake sneeze at your dog.
What'd they say?
Esto. A mí nadie me pega.
Get out of here. There's nothing for you, Max. We can see you. Maxwell!
What's wrong with it, bro?
I know they aren't gonna believe me, but that little girl dog right there just sounded like a grown man yelling with her bark. Like,
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
be able to stand on the light, Reggie. Oh. Yep. Just act like nothing happened.
So if I do not find somebody soon,
He is so mad that I have not fed him yet.
You're having a bath. You're muddy, you're having a bath.
And look how look at show me. He's looking at his hair.
Please, for the love of God, stop drinking.
А ти моє серденько. Я не можу жити без серденька.
Надо ко мне лезть. Не надо. Ах ты.
Here, you can have this chip. Oh, well, I guess peppermint.
I didn't come home last night.
Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God.